In today's video, we'll talk about how to withdraw money from Fundrise. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. With Fundrise, you can invest in real estate, venture capital, and private credit assets to generate a passive income that you can withdraw at the end of each annual quarter. Liquidating your shares isn't a complicated process. Here's what you need to do first. Go to fundrise.com. The link is in the description. Log in with your email address and password. Next, accurately fill in the liquidation request form and submit it by the last business day of the quarter. Your application will be reviewed and hopefully approved. Note that Fundrise operates on a first-in, first-out policy, meaning the oldest shares are liquidated first. Does withdrawing money from Fundrise carry penalties? Yes, some shares from funds like the income eREIT and eFund are penalized upon withdrawal because they are supposed to be held for not less than 5 years. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can get your money out of Fundrise. Thanks for watching, and until next time.